Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just got these pots from Amazon, these little tiny pots right here. They're 2 inches and then they come with a little tray. What I like about these pots is that the little tray here, the little saucer, does not take up any space. So it's the same size as the pot, so I do like that for space saving, if that's a word. So she's gonna go ahead and she's gonna mix some perlite with some of the cactus dirt, and then we're gonna choose some of these babies that we had taken for their mamas and now they're rooted. We're gonna go ahead and put them in here. So I'm gonna give her our handy dandy tool, a spoon, and go ahead and mix this in there really good.
Like mix it?
Yeah, you can mix it all the way. She's been asking me that she wants to plant some plants or mess with plants. I guess she's starting to have an interest in them. And she sees mommy likes them so much, so she's like, maybe I should like them. Right, Kayla?
Yeah, I like them. They're really pretty. I like all the colors they come in, especially the green ones.
You like the green ones?
Mm-hmm.
I like the pink ones and the blue ones. And the purple ones.
I like the one that you have, the one like that I drew that you wanted to plant in a white pot.
Oh, you want me to show it? Hold on 1 second. She drew this for me.
And
So cute.
show the other
Oh, the
that
other
I
one,
drew.
she wants me to color it, so I have to wait. This is an echeveria that she drew for me. So I gotta color it. Okay, Kayla, go ahead and fill the pot. Try to move that over, and you can move this over and go ahead. Guys, this little tray here, this is to catch water on the big planters. It comes with wheels. I really liked it just to put my little pots in there when I water them. So for $1 at the Dollar Tree, that was pretty good. I was really lucky to find that. You can do it a little bit more, a smidge more.
That good?
And you see the bulkiness? Just there you go. Go ahead. Yeah, I think so. And then you can go ahead and poke a hole in the middle. Try to put your go ahead and put your finger as deep as you can there. And then we're gonna take this one.
There we go.
And you're gonna try to snug her in there, kind of like whoop, cause her tail's kind of like that. Let me see.
That good?
Yeah, that's perfect. She looks good. Is her roots all the way in? I think that might be some of her roots there sticking out. No, that's not a root. Be gentle around the leaves, because if you press them down by mistake, they'll like come off very easily. So here, go ahead and put that one there. Good job, Kayla. And here's another one. Go ahead and fill it up again.
There's a stick.
Yeah, just move those. Those sticks are too big for those tiny little pots.
Is that good?
Maybe a little bit more. Just a little bit more.
Like that?
Yeah. Maybe a little bit more, because on that side, well, let me see. Maybe a smidge more. And now do the same thing that you did earlier, making a hole in the middle. And then we'll gently remove this one. And then you can place her in there, in the middle. I think the hole might be a little too deep. So go ahead and flatten it out. There we go. And then you can just tuck in the sides if you want, the sides of the dirt. She'll go ahead and root herself in there nicely. Right there. Oh, it's looking so cute, Kayla. You're doing such a good job. Okay, we'll give you another one. Go ahead and fill it up.
That one has a bigger root.
Well, it has a longer stem. And at the end of the stem, it has some roots.
her leaves are like curving down.
Yeah, you can kind of like straighten it out if you want. Maybe shake the pot a little bit so that the dirt can get under her.
They're very loose in there.
Yeah, this one, yeah, it'll root. What is it called? This one's a little bit like, gotta like vibrate it so that all the dirt falls down. There we go. Find it out. Okay, put it right there. Good job. Looking good.
I like this one.
You like those? That's pretty, yeah. You want to do this one? Go ahead and fill that up. We're not gonna water these right now. We'll take our time watering them.
That's good. Right?
A little bit more.
There we go.
Yep, perfect. That one, I don't think you have to make a hole in the middle. You just plop her right in the middle and gently push her down and she'll root in herself. Make sure she's in the middle of the pot so she looks pretty. You got her?
Yeah.
She likes to tilt to the side, huh?
I need the tray now.
She got a tiny bit burned.
Where?
A little bit. I think she got burned right in those leaves right there.
Oh, yeah.
But she'll be okay. And there it is, guys. Kayla potted her little baby succulents. Good job, Kayla. Guys, I just wanted to show you guys really quickly this arrangement that I made from the Dollar Tree. Everything's from Dollar Tree. And the reason I'm showing you guys is because they had some really beautiful succulents with long stems. So I paired it up with these that were also from the Dollar Tree, and I feel like it's so pretty. And for $1 each. I'm pretty sure, I know I'm sure, that at Michael's, these are like $6.99 up. So yeah, look at this one. That one is beautiful. I love that one. So guys, try to look at your local Dollar Tree and try to find these beauties. I think it's a steal. The pot was also from the Dollar Tree, the tin, but I painted it white. Did you have fun?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Okay. Say bye.
Bye.